Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taslim, and in today's video I am reviewing the Aussie Miracle Curls line. Now I saw this product at Walmart and it was pretty cheap, like $5. So I was like, you know what, let me just grab it and do a review on it. So as you can see, my hair is pretty dry and messy, but don't worry, we are going to wash this bad boy out. So first off, I'm going in with this Aussie Miracle Curls shampoo. It has coconut and Australian jojoba oil. It is very moisturizing. It has a good lather, which I'm always looking for in a shampoo, and it shows me that my hair is getting really cleaned. Then I'm gonna go in with this Aussie Miracle Curl conditioner. It contains the same ingredients such as coconut and Australian jojoba oil, and it's paraben free. This conditioner is very moisturizing. It has good sleep, and as you can see, I'm finger detangling, and I'm also using my detangling brush to take out all those knots. Guys, if you do not have this detangling brush, you are missing out. I got it from Amazon. It's pretty cheap, but it saves me half of the time in the shower. Now I'm going in with the Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. Now I don't think this is from the same line as the Miracle Curls, but I saw it and I grabbed it. So it contains the avocado and Australian jojoba oil, and again it's paraben free. But anyways, for just 3 minutes deep conditioner, it's really worth it because in the end my hair felt really soft, hydrated, a lot of moisture. So you really cannot go wrong, you know, for those of us who are always rushing and cannot deep condition your hair. This is very worth it, and I would definitely recommend it. Now that my hair is very clean and it smells good, I'm going to section it off into small parts and begin styling. First off, I'm starting with water in a spray bottle, and I'm spraying my hair down just to get it a little damp but not too wet. Then I'm going to go in with the Aussie Miracle Curl leave-in detangling milk. Now this is where I was confused, like, is it a detangling product or is it a leave-in? But later I found out that it is a leave-in, but it does its job very well. The consistency of it was very runny, which I did not like, but I hoped for the best. So I was confused with these two products because I did not know which one goes first. One of them is the curl defining oil and the other one is the freeze taming cream. So you can see why I was confused, because usually you put cream first and then oil. I mean, that's how I do my wash and goes anyway. So I went with my gut and I went with the curl defining oil because it does define your curls. Now I'm going in with the Aussie Miracle Curls Freeze Taming Cream. Now this cream contains coconut and jojoba oil and is sulfate free. When I first applied this cream, you know, it's supposed to help with frizzy hair, but with my hair, it honestly looked like it was creating frizz. So it spooked me out, and honestly, I did not like it, but I hoped for the best. It did its job. It worked. So I'm not mad. Alright guys, so as you can see, I am trying to finish up my hair and I am applying all the products to my hair. But now I'm gonna go in with the Aussie Miracle Curl Mousse just to hold my curls in place, and it contains coconut and jojoba oil and it's silicone free. Now I've never ever used mousse in my hair before, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. Overall, I really love this line, especially the Miracle Curl. Now I would not use this as, like, you know, my everyday wash and go, as there's some harsh ingredients in there that may not be safe to use on your hair every single week. So yeah, I would use this line especially when I'm in a rush and I want to deep condition, but at the same time I want my curls to pop. So yeah, I did love the results. My hair is very lightweight, my curls are popping, it's less frizzy, and my hair has volume. So I'm very happy with this line. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment what you think of the results, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell on to be notified on my future videos. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.